Yo, Blizzard is in there right now, sticking the place up.
I'm bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored, and I gotta get my mother at the house. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right. Yeah, like I said, man, I gotta get out this man. I mean, I understand, man, we gotta be safe and all, but this just ain't working for me, bro. It's just not working. It's not. It ain't for him, eh? It's not. It damn sure ain't. But anyway, man, before we get into the vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. Yep, here we go again. Another What Would I Rock joint. This is about the Jordan 14 Toro or red joints. When I first saw these joints, I was just like, 14s, you know, because I'm not really too hype on the 14s like that. I've already said in the past that my favorite 14 is the black toes, and I don't even have a pair of black toes. But I kept like looking at these joints, and I was like, these are alright enough for me to cop.
I don't know about that.
I would toy with the idea.
Word?
But I'm not gonna be copping any more sneaks that I believe are gonna be on a sneaker sale. It's just no point, you know, i.e. the Jordan 6 hairs or the, well, we'll get into those 11 lows on another vid. But yeah, man, but no, these, the more I looked at it, I said, man, they're not that bad. And I'm thinking because of The Last Dance.
You got your lines over here, you got your weed smokers over here, you got your women over here.
So we getting high, we two no star, making big head laughs all across the table. I'm motherfucker walk about like,
with these 14s coming out, you know what I'm saying? There'll be some type of buzz around it. But anyway, man, and for all that, you already know what this is about. This is about how would you rock them. So right now, before I drive into town, I'm gonna hit y'all with the pants as always. So when it comes to jeans, black, that wouldn't be my first choice, but black, light blue, dark blue, or the indigo joints, yeah, those will work. I think I would go light and indigo, yeah. It just depends what you're rocking with it. Brown, khaki, yeah, and my favorite, camo. I would definitely do some camo. If you wanted to, you do joggers. I just think black, depending on what you're rocking, I wouldn't just go for the black. If I was doing like track pants, I would get some black with the red stripe going down, or you get black with the white, but I would do black with the red. In your mind, just pretend for every pant that I'm talking about, just you can turn them into jorts or shorts, you know what I'm saying? And you'll be good. But yeah, no, I do like that camo idea, and I think the brown would be cool too, or the khaki. Olive, definitely, I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, definitely some olive. Green, maybe. It depends, but I ain't too pressed on that. But that's the for right now, those are the pants that I would definitely do with those. Or you could also do some red joggers. You could definitely do that. Yeah. Yeah, matter of fact, my bad, because I've been screenshotting damn near all day. Let me see what other pants that I got up in here. If we're talking like a whole sweatsuit, because I was thinking like, yeah, you could do the tech joint. If they got like a red Nike tech joints with the black going up the side, yeah, you could do those. And I see V Rich got a little sweatsuit. Now this would be for a chill and kill. You in the airport or something like that. I love wearing sweatsuits in the airport. They're mad comfortable. I think I made the mistake and rock jeans on the airplane like once, that you know, and it was like nah. But yeah, that sweatsuit be nice and comfortable. But yeah, that's definitely it right there. Let me know, are y'all looking to cop these joints? Comment down below, and like I always like to say, whatever I say is not etched in stone. I'm just giving y'all a few ideas. Style starts with you, and you first. Damn, what the fuck I say, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, 400 likes on this joint, man. About to go into town. Bruh, see you when I see you in a second.
Match B, wave, classy, wave, commas, designer, wave, hoes day, wave, all day, hey, try me, trauma, hammers, wave, hold up, wave, flood the town and make them drown from all that, wave, all that, hey, hold up, wave, all these diamonds make me drown in all that, wave, all that, hey, wave.
Hey yo, when you see me, nigga, don't ask me my strategy, nigga, you heard? You already know what time it is.
Man, I ain't about shit. Remember how I was just complaining about how it was boring and all that shit, and like, yeah, my homeboy hit me up. He said he about to slide down to the beach. Asked me if I wanted to roll.
Word right now?
I was thinking about it heavy. But then I said no.
And you said no? Hell yeah, I said no. What is you crazy? Yo,
but now I'm like, damn, I think I should have. I don't know, it's like different. Like, say I asked some people from like up in New York, I'd be like, yo, you think would you go down there? They'd be like, oh, nah, cause you know. But down here is a little different. I'm not saying like there ain't no COVID cases, but I mean, but anyway, man, I think another reason is cause I ain't been sipping and I'll be bored down there. So now I wouldn't be bored. Damn, man, I think I should have went. I don't know, after I finish this vid, I might hit him out like, yo, you left? Yeah, but anyway, next topic. We talk about the tops. Let's see. Oh, I saw this soccer jersey, this Portland joint. I forget the team, but it's Portland. I'm gonna put the joint up there. Matter of fact, hold on, let me Portland Thorns. That joint look alright. I will pump that. You can find a lot of basic tees and stuff like that. I wouldn't dive that far down into that, but if you did want to get like a basic tee, I would throw it over something. Like I see this classic fit twist shirt from Ralph Lauren. This joint look alright to throw over it. Or you could throw over like throw a black flannel over that. I mean a black flannel, black and red flannel. But this is only during the cold months. I'm only speaking like this because I don't even know if we really get in the summer like that. But yeah, you can find mad tees. It'd be mad tees that you can find. Speaking of Ralph Lauren, if you did want to go with the polo, you can find the black and red joint. That'll be smooth. Or they got this one bare mesh polo. The joint look alright. I would try to see if I can get if I can get the black base. I'll probably get the black joint. Yeah. If we're talking jerseys, so that old school Portland Trailblazer joint that Clyde the Glide. That joint was alright. I seen a couple Chicago Blackhawks jerseys. The black one in particular. Now you could do the other ones, but I like the black one for real. And when it does get a little this joint right here is for if it does get a little cool. Well, whenever it does get a little cooler when we're back to the new normal. The Chicago Blackhawks joint is alright too. Another basketball joint you could do, UNLV, Running Rebels. That number 4 joint, Larry Johnson, you already know. I like it because it got the red, it got a little black in it, and it got the white, and it looks like off-whitish, just like them damn sneaks. Another joint that I looked at, the New Jersey Devils joint's alright. It's more white based, so I will kind of like refrain from copping though. But if that's your thing, yeah, that joint a hit. Another joint, this is the one I was kind of looking for though. The Ottawa Senators. That joint a hit as well. One thing about these that I did want to mention when I was talking about stuff to rock with it, cause I've never had a pair of these, but I got a homeboy that tells me like if you're not rocking them with jeans, he says that damn the top of the tongue kind of like it's like irritating or whatever. I don't know, never rocked them. I guess I kind of see it with that little piece right there. So I wouldn't really be big on rocking them with shorts, but since I am talking about jerseys and stuff, if you was rocking with shorts, yeah, I know, man, you can get some Bulls joints, like, duh. But anyway, man, damn, I think I'm gonna hit up my homeboy just bullshit for a second, be like, yo, you still going? You know what I'm saying? Damn, I wanna fuck it, man. I don't know. We get back, man. We talk about little hats and stuff, but probably gonna ride around for a second, man. Follow me.
Coming out hard on the charts in the Billboard. Second album dropping and we waiting on our first award. Niggas talking cause the crew ain't walking no more. And jealous busters trying to start shit over hoes.
Alright, again, 400 likes on this joint. Finally at the crib, my parents' crib, not my crib. Yeah, okay. But anyway, yeah, so talk about fitters and snapbacks. Bulls, bullshit. Now the Bulls, you could do any of the teams that I said, matter of fact. Definitely the Chicago Blackhawks. Yeah, you could do that. If you did get the UNLV, of course, you do the UNLV joint. If I find a nice one, I'll throw it up there. But I believe my favorite joint is, and I'm going to tell y'all where to get it. Shout out to For You Caps. They got the Chicago White Sox snapback with a side patch and that red underbrim. That's like one of my favorite. Boy.
Don't call me a boy, please.
When that red be underneath that, oh man, yeah, nah, ain't no fading that. For real. And so that's what I like. So, yeah, man. Like I said, starts with you. Let me know how y'all rock the joints. Let me know if y'all going after these joints. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. Word up, 400 likes, please. Will I get these? Yeah, I doubt it, but I think I do like the sneak. I do like it. But like I said, for me, I don't really go further than I don't go further than 13s. I think the only other joints that I know the only other joints that I've had other than a Jordan 1 skip 2 through 13 is the 17s, the red joint. I still got the damn briefcase out there, and the 23s. I went ahead and got the blue ones. If I knew it, I would have got the damn red ones, but I don't know, maybe I snoozed at the time, but the only reason I got them 23s was because somebody had kind of threw out there like, oh, this is going to be the last Jordan. So I like, oh, all right, well, let me get them. But yeah, other than that, I ain't really, like that. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Yo, shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me. I already told y'all how many likes I want to get on this joint. Appreciate it, 400. But anyway, man, y'all already know. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.